You gotta get down on this.
I know.
Hand it to Mama. Here, hand it to Mama. Candace. Now you're not going to do it this time, so she's... Come here. There's one. It's not hot. Come on.
There's Candace getting the clothes out of the dryer.
Hand them to Mama.
Hi, Candace.
Go do it now.
Get the clothes out of the dryer. There she goes. Off.
She's not going to do it.
There's Candace with her cousin Tyler. There's Candace with her cousin Tyler. She's sitting on him in a seat. There they are. Oh, give him kisses. Ah, there she goes. Yeah, she's talking to baby Ty.
Get your foot down.
The Soviet Union, whatever the verdicts, and former Vice President Gennady history will exonerate us. The communists have made them idols.
Where's Robin?
Say hi, Papa. Where's Robin? Where's Robin?
Where's Robin?
Where's Robin? Where's Aunt Robin? Where's she at?
Where's Robin?
Where's Robin? Where's Robin? What? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Who is that?
Mama.
Who is that?
Mama.
Mama? Who's that?
Mama.
Who's that?
Mama.
Mama, yeah.
Where's
Who's
Robin?
that? Where's Robin? What? Where's Robin?
She won't say it now.
Where's she at?
Robin, what? Robin, what?
Where's she at?
Where's Dada?
Where's Dada?
Where's Dada?
Where's he at? Where's Dada? That was a big scoot. Give Mama a huggy.
Yeah. Yeah, helping Mama pick the peas. Yep, help Mama pick the peas. Hey! You done? You done? Yeah, go help Mama pick the peas. You picking peas? Yeah. Yeah, peas. Yeah, what you got? Okay. Don't throw them.
Watch out, Dad. Casey doesn't know how to play these games. Didn't know how to play.